Hey guys, welcome to the third video on Swift programming. In this video, we're going to talk about variables versus constants. Okay, so in the previous video, we actually spoke about variables. They are actually used to store integers or strings. So we create a variable of name, which is anything you'd like, and then you can actually store a number or a set of words. Okay, so we're gonna, as you can see, I have my Xcode window open. So I'm just gonna click on my previous project, which is the Hello World file. Okay, so the playground environment loads up, and here you can see the code that we were actually working on in the last video. Okay, so when we say variable, we actually need to declare the var keyword. Now I'm going to create a new variable of say for and store the variable for. Okay, so what is the difference between variables and constants? Okay, so what are constants first and foremost? Constants are basically something that is like a variable, but the value is fixed. Unlike variables, you can actually change the value. You can assign the value. You can assign multiple values to it. I mean, not multiple values. You can actually keep changing the values. Let's say, for example, for is equal to 6. So I've actually changed the value now from 4 to 6, and it's going to generate the output. So if I want to actually print a statement in Swift, I have to say print ln, and then I'm going to say for 4. So print the variable 4, and it's going to print 6. The reason being that because I actually reassigned it to 6, that's why it's going to print 6. So if I didn't have the statement, it's actually going to print 4, as you can see. So that's the difference basically. And now let's try a test for constant. Now the keyword for constant is let. So whenever you want to declare a constant, you need to start with let. So let is the keyword for a constant. Here I'm going to type a name, example 5, and declare and store 5, store the integer 5. As you can see, it prints 5. Now let's say if I wanted to actually reassign it to another value, change the value. So I'm going to type 5 is equal to 7. Now you see, Swift actually displays an error. Reason being that let 5 is actually already declared as a constant. So Swift actually interprets it as a constant. And now that I try to change the value to 7, it doesn't actually register it. So it gives me an error. It says that it's not possible because you can never actually change a constant. Whereas if you were to declare this as a variable, then it's possible to actually change 5 from the number 5 to 7, as you can see. So if I were to print the output, it would be print ln 5. As you can see, it prints 7. So there you have it, guys. This is the difference between variables and constants. Okay, so now in the next video, we're going to talk a little about strings. We're going to talk about doubles and more data types. If you have actually found this video useful, please like it and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.